Do not get rid of any of your old unwanted vases or vessels. You might want to keep them. On today's video, I will be following a popular trend that has been shown on various social medias, which is reinventing your old vases or vessels into a much more appealing look by using things that are budget friendly. Here is my inspiration photo of the look I'm going for, which is an old age distressed look. Now in my child life, a look such as these old age pieces I would have not found so inviting. But as an adult, I'm intrigued by the true meaning of art and the beauty of these vintage pieces. Many YouTubers that I've seen had used different ways of achieving this distress look. They have used paint or paint spray along with dirt, mud, or even coffee grinds. I went with what I had at home, which was used paint from previous projects, coffee grinds, and a clear paint sealer. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of following the actual steps I took to achieve my look, but I'll show the steps using this liquor bottle. I'm so happy with the turnout because I was able to pull the look I was aiming for, such as that ceramic look to the vase, along with the rough and gritty texture, with the use of beige paint along with coffee grinds that help give that dark stained earthy tone color. Now with this vase, it originally didn't have any handles, but I took a plastic hanger and snipped off the pieces I was able to bend and shape into a handle and hot glue them. Of course, it's just for show. The same steps for this long neck vase, but this time using white paint instead of the beige. What I like about this type of project is there is no way of making any mistakes. You can paint using how many coats of paint you choose to, and you can rub your coffee any which way. I went with an angle going downward, so that way it can just look like strokes going across and around the vase. At the end of your masterpiece, have fun with adding any floral arrangements using pampas grass or wheatgrass, eucalyptus, or any flowers of your choice. But remember, don't be so quick to toss or give away any of your valuables when all you have to do is be creative using any style of pottery, vases, or vessels. Until next time, take care.